What's your name?
My name is Kanis Fatima.
Where are you from?
I'm from Khulna.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is traveling.
What's your father's name?
My father name is Mustafizur Rahman.
What's your mother's name?
My mother name is Afroja.
What does your father do?
My father is a teacher.
Who cooks in our house?
My mother cooks in my house. Sometimes me.
Who is the anything person of your family?
My father is the earning person of my family.
Are you happy with family?
Yes, I'm happy because my family loves and supporting me.
Okay, thanks yourself.